We're rolling.
Oh,
right?
we're rolling.
Yeah, sorry.
Cool. Hey, we're back again with another video. I'm Kason.
Brian.
This is a super quick one. We work in a menswear store. We get asked these questions all the time. So this is gonna be how you should wash your clothes and how often to do it. Washing your clothes for dummies, pretty much.
First things first.
Careful!
If it's a dress shirt, you'll get way more use out of it if you wash it at home. Cold water, lukewarm water is fine. You can put it on delicate. Hang that shit to dry. Don't take it to the dry cleaner.
Definitely not. And learn how to use an iron. Take 5 minutes. Secondly, t-shirts. Machine wash them, cold, lukewarm. I personally hang mine to dry because cotton shrinks a lot. If it's a little too big, you can use the dryer as your friend, but same thing, it'll decrease the amount of time you get to wear it because the heat is super harsh on your clothes. So I hang mine to dry.
Yeah, if the shirt's a little big and you want to size it down, warm water, again, cold water, throw it in the dryer. Don't make it super hot, but
I wash everything on cold.
There you
that
go.
would be my recommendation.
I do a little more lukewarm because I sweat like a wildebeest. But
yeah, you stink.
Yeah.
What we both got on right now, jeans. Machine wash them. Do it really sparingly. Maybe every like 6 months I'll do it.
Yeah. I'll stick mine in the freezer if I have to.
Yeah, removes the odor, but jeans, and honestly, it doesn't matter how expensive they are. I've had $200 jeans fade. I've had $50 jeans fade. So just do it as sparingly as possible.
You get way more use out of them too. Way more.
100%.
And when you are gonna wash them, soak them. If you are gonna wash them, you can throw them in a tub of cold water, soak them, give them a quick squeeze afterwards, then you're good.
Yeah, I would just leave it at that for sure.
The more you soak them, the more you're gonna lose in color.
Yeah, definitely.
And then lastly, knitwear. So I'm talking fine sweaters, stuff like that. Some sweaters will tell you that you can wash them at home. If you are going to, get yourself a delicate bag. You can buy them at a clothing store sometimes. Some drugstores will sell them.
Pretty cheap too.
Super cheap.
Yeah.
Put your knitwear in the delicates bag, put it in the washing machine, set it to delicate. Cold water. No lukewarm, no warm water. Wool tends to shrink quite a bit, so you want to be really, really careful with this stuff. Take it out when you're done, lay it flat. Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle.
Yeah.
Maybe some stuff you might have to dry clean if it's cashmere or like a really, really fine merino wool.
Yeah.
But for the most part, machine wash it. And honestly, for the most part, you don't have to dry clean that much stuff. And when you are gonna dry clean it, do it really sparingly. It's super, super harsh on fabrics.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, I wear suits all the time. I maybe dry clean them once a year, or unless they get really dirty.
Yeah.
Top coat, same thing, really sparingly, super harsh on fabrics. Dress pants, once every 50 or 60 wears is a good rule of thumb for suits and dress pants and sport coats and stuff like that, because it'll severely decrease the amount of time you can wear them, for sure.
If you're dry cleaning your suits once a month, it's way too much.
Yeah, totally. Cool. Super quick video.
Easy. Thanks again for watching, guys and girls and people. No, I hate that. Thanks again for watching. To summarize, do not overwash your shit.
Boom, done. Peace out.
Later. We already have an intro, right?
Yeah, let's do it again. Might as well.
Okay. Well,
Hey. Shut up. I'm real hungry. Time to get some noodles.